Year three. I hope your weekend was lovely and that you are going to have a good week this week despite the possible rainy weather. So this week we're starting on multiplication and division. Okay, so if you want to follow along with me, then you can go to library, number, multiplication and division. Now I've skipped through some of the year three lessons. We're going to go back to them. Okay, we're starting with the first lesson being multiplying. So let's give it a go. So what is multiplying? This is going to teach us what is multiplication. So what is 3 times 2? Now lots of you might be shouting out 6, but what does it actually mean? It means 3 lots of 2. Here are 3 lots of 2 marbles. So it's 2 marbles plus 2 marbles plus 2 marbles. So 3 times 2, because there's 3 groups of 2. There are 6 marbles. What's 2 times 5? Again, 2 lots of 5. So you've got 5 marbles here and 5 marbles here. And if you add them together, 5 plus 5, 2 times 5, you will get 10. So, one more. What's 2 times 4? 2 lots of 4. You can see 2 lots of 4 marbles, which makes 8. So, complete the number sentences. 2 times how many bananas are in each group? We can look 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 4. And if you wanted to, you should just know that's 8. But if you wanted to, you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. And count that there are 8 bananas. We've got 3 lots of 3. We've got 3 beds or pots of 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it'll be 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 is 3, 6, 9. Got keys on a wire here. On each key ring, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 there, 5 there, 5 there. 3 times 5, and 3 times 5 is 5, 10, 15. We've got some ladybirds on a leaves here. We've got 4 leaves, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 ladybirds on each leaf. So it'll be 4 times 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, so there's a game here that you can play if you want to. Okay, it's a bit like 4 in a row or Connect 4, you might know it as. The spinner gives you a random number. You can give it a go on your computer if you want to. Okay, remember, by doing that, you go to number, multiplication, division, and lesson, and then your online homework will be in my portal afterwards. I'm not going to go through that one. So match each calculation with its answer. So I'm going to start off with the easiest ones. I know 2 lots of 2 is 4. Remember, you can pause the screen and try it yourself if you want to. I'm sorry, I've got a bit of a tickle in my throat. Okay, now it's gone. 5 times 7, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 10 times 9, that's a very easy one, is 90. 5 times 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. You could go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, or you could go 5, 10, 15, 20. Remember with the multiplication, it way round they go, okay? It gives the same answer whether it's 5 times 4 or 4 times 5. You are doing different calculations, but they give you the same answer. 2 times 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 4 times 3, 4, 4, 8, 12, or 3, 6, 9, 12. 4 times 7 and 2 times 9. I'm going to go for 2 times 9 because I think that was a bit easier. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 4 times 7 must be 28. So, you can also play this game. It's a game where you can try your 2 times table, 3 times table, 4 times table, 5 times table, or 10 times table. You can try any of these times tables to have a go. I'll show you one example. Okay, so loop card game, click on the answer to reveal part of the picture. So you can find a picture by doing the game. Okay, so 3 times 2, remember you've got a timer, 3 times 2 is 6, so I click on 6, and you've got a little bit of the picture there. 10 times 2 is 20, 1 times 2 is 2, 11 times 2 is 22, 4 times 2 is 8, 6 times 2 is 12, 5 times 2 is 10, 7 times 2 is 14, 2 times 2 is 4, 8 times 4 is 16, 12 times 2 is 2. What did 0 say to 8? Nice belt. It's being squished into an 8, okay? So you might get some other jokes if you give some of the other times tables a go, so have a go yourself. And then there is beat the clock at the end, which you can do lesson a go, then log into my portal and complete your work. Okay, hope you have a lovely rest of your day.